f of x power g of x, f of x power g of x can be differentiated by using logarithmic function on both sides. So let us take an example, y equal to sin x power cos x. Okay, so now take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So let's see. Log y equal to log of sin x power cos x. Okay, so we all know that log a power b equal to b log a. Okay, so in this log a power b, in this a means sin x, b means cos x. So log y equal to cos x into log of sin x. So now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So now d by dx log y equal to d by dx cos x into log of sin x. So now d by dx of log y means 1 by y. We have to do again inner derivative to y. That means dy by dx equal to d by dx of cos x into log of sin x. It is in the form of d by dx of uv. So d by dx of uv means u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Okay, so in this cos x into d by dx of log of sin x plus log of sin x into d by dx of cos x. Okay, so now 1 by y dy by dx equal to cos x into d by dx of log x means 1 by sin x. We have to again do inner derivative to sin x means d by dx of sin x, d by dx of sin x, and then plus log sin x into d by dx of cos x. That means minus sin x. Okay, minus sin x. So 1 by y dy by dx equal to cos x by sin x and then d by dx of sin x. That means cos x plus into minus minus. So sin x into log of sin x. Okay, so now here 1 by y is dividing here. We have to move to right side. That means dy by dx equal to y into cos x into cos x. That means cos square x by sin x and then minus sin x into log of sin x. Okay, so dy by dx equal to y into cos square x by sin x minus sin x into log of sin x. So we all know y value, that is y equal to sin x power cos x. So in this, dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to y means sin x power cos x into cos square x by sin x minus sin x into log of sin x. Okay.